guys, today's video is going to be a haul video. If I look tired, it's because I stayed up way too late last night. Can't even talk. I stayed up way too late last night watching the stupid Jake Paul fight. It was just such a shit show. I just couldn't stop watching it. Snoop Dogg is so hilarious. Like, I was literally laughing so hard. I was up late last night. Today's actually my husband's birthday. He's at the bins right now. He wanted to go to the bins for his birthday. So he is at the bins and the kids are just chilling, and I wanted to do this haul video because we went sourcing yesterday. And I want to show you guys some things that I got. If you can hear, like, my voice sounds different. Both of my ears are clogged, and I don't know, I feel like I've got, like, sinus pressure, so that's why my voice is a little funny. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some things that I got. I didn't get anything, like, too crazy. This is just mainly bread and butter. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this Lululemon sweatshirt. It's actually the same sweatshirt I'm wearing. If you guys saw my previous video where I talked about this sweatshirt, I've been on the hunt for this black sweatshirt forever. I do have the pink one and the blue one. I am selling the blue one. It is just way too big for me. When I ordered the sweatshirt, I wanted it to be oversized, but this is really oversized. So yeah, I'm gonna sell it. It is a size 12 and it looks like this. Again, it's the same exact sweatshirt I'm wearing, just in this really pretty blue color. It is in amazing condition. I tried it on once. It's for sale in my closet if you're interested. I saw these and had to get them. They are vintage Gap high-rise mom shorts. They are cuffed. It's like an intentional cuff because there's like a stitch there to hold the cuffing. And they are a size 10. I did get some bigger sizes in this haul, so I'm excited for that. This is not a bigger size, and it's not really too exciting, but I don't know. I thought they were cute. They're from Universal Thread, and they're just these little chambray shorts. Like, I don't know. I just thought they were cute, and they were really cheap. Got some things that are new with tags. I got these Timberland men's jeans. They are the fit tapered jeans 32, but yeah, really nice. Timberland it's a good brand. This is what they look like. I don't sell a whole lot of men's stuff. I might start getting more into men's. I don't know. More new with tag stuff. These are Fashion Nova drama jeans, size 1XL or 17, and they're just high-waisted distressed jeans. Really cute. And again, new with tags, Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova doesn't retail for a lot, but they have like cute trendy things, you know. So I found 2 pairs of Miss Me jeans. I was really excited when I saw these. They're both a size 33, so a bigger size. I think that's the biggest size I found in Miss Me jeans. I actually sold a pair of Miss Me jeans last week on Mercari. They were a size 32 and someone just bought them outright for $40. I already sold one of these guys. It was, yeah, this one right here, the mid-rise skinny. Again, size 33. They look like this. The back looks like this. I had them listed for $60 and someone sent me a $55 offer, so I'm like, yes, gonna do it. Guys, Miss Me jeans, if you can get them, especially in like the bigger sizes, they sell. I have another pair in my closet right now. I think they're a size 35. No, not 35. 25. And they've kind of just been sitting there. They're also cropped too, so that might make a difference as well. These are the signature bootcut jeans. Again, size 33. And they look like that on the back. These ones might sit a minute because, you know, they don't have the usual blingy bling that Miss Me jeans do. This is like my least favorite time of year because the thrift stores get rid of like the activewear stuff, or like mainly sweatshirts. At least my thrift stores do. They like literally cut down the sweatshirt aisle like in half, or like aisles in half. So very frustrating. I got one sweatshirt and it was because my husband randomly found it in the men's section. But yeah, I didn't pick up any sweatshirts. It's been so long since I've been sourcing and not picked up a sweatshirt, like crazy. So yeah, these are all pants. I should have probably said that. Or pants and shorts. I should have said that at the beginning, but oh well. American Eagle jeans. Guys, I love selling these jeans. These are the super stretch. If you can get the super stretch, the stretch X, what else? Yeah, just the stretch and the X's, and the American Eagle jeans sell. They're size 10. They're the super high-rise jegging jeans. Oh, I actually got an offer on these right after I listed them last night. They offered me 22, and I think I had them listed for 30 because, I'm like remembering things as I wake up this morning because I'm still not awake. What time is it? It is 8:30, so it's still kind of early. So I sold a pair of these jeans, size 10. They were a little bit more distressed than this. They had like a raw hem at the bottom. I sold them on, I think it was Mercari last week. Somebody just bought them outright. And then I got an offer as soon as I listed these last night. I had them listed for 30. They offered me 22 and I sent a counter at 26, so we'll see. But yeah, this is what they look like. They've got a hole in the pocket here. It doesn't go like all the way through. But yeah, American Eagle jeans. Guys, don't sleep. I might as well just throw this in there. I bought a huge Champion lot, new with tag Champion stuff. This is separate, but I have a shit ton of Champion sweatshirts in my closet. You guys should check them out. Most of them are these like holographic, I don't know, or like iridescent. You can't really see on camera. But yeah, really nice. I have purple, I have like a cream color, I have black, I have like a blush pink. Then I have hoodies. Like I have a shit ton of Champion hoodies right now. And they're all new with tags, by the way. Did I say that? I found some Lulus. It's always a good day when you find a pair of Lulus. I believe these are the groove pants. Because they don't have, there's no pull tag and there's no size. I think they're the groove pants. They're like wider leg pants. I don't know. I still have a hard time identifying Lululemon stuff because they just make so many things. Like they literally have hundreds and hundreds of pairs of leggings and friggin' sweatshirts and tank tops. Like it's crazy. So yeah, these are just black. I'm pretty sure that the groove pants, I don't know if there's any Lulu expert out there that can identify. There's like a seam going down the back, and again, they're wide leg. I measured them and they measure as a size 8. I don't typically pick up this brand, LuLaRoe, but I saw these and I'm like, I've never sold their leggings before, like these type of leggings. So yeah, we're gonna just try it. I mean, it was cheap enough, so these are a size small, and I don't know. At first I was like, are these butterflies? Or, oh wait, now that I look at them, I think they're flowers. I don't know. It's very abstract. Like, doesn't it look like butterflies? Like, if you look quick, like, doesn't that look like a butterfly kind of right there? I don't know. This is what they look like. They're crop leggings, and yeah, we'll see how they do. Found these Athleta jeans. I don't know what these are called. It says Sculptec, so I think they're the Sculptec jeans. I've sold a pair of these before, and I want to say they went pretty quick. They're a size 8. Like, they feel really, like, comfortable, you know? Like, some jeans are, like, crunchy and hard and not comfortable. These feel like, yes, I could wear them all day and, you know, be okay. Could wear them all day and be okay. Yeah, anyway, size 8. They're in excellent condition. They're just a skinny leg. And yeah, that's what they look like. They're kind of high rise. Are they high rise? Yeah, they're kind of high rise. I think I measured them. I don't remember. Found some AG jeans. This is actually my favorite jean brand, and then American Eagle. These are the Jody Crop Side Slit High Rise Slim Flare Crop. They're size 29. They're in excellent condition. What's unique about these guys is the little slit on the bottom right there. And they are a little flared, aren't they? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? These guys already sold. They sold really quickly. I think, no, I had them listed for 35 and somebody offered me 30. Last night I got reasonable offers and it was great. These are the Athleta Rainier reflective tights. I don't know, they're really like, really nice. And they're all reflective. When I took a picture, I used the flash and this was like, all these little, I don't know, it kind of looks like leopard print. They just all turned white. Like the pants look completely different because they're reflective. But yeah, these are really nice. And they are fleece lined as well. So yeah, these sold already, but I did just want to show them to you guys. Got some Abercrombie little pants, joggers. I don't know, I thought these were cute. They have like a little ruffle waist. I don't typically pick up Abercrombie, but these were super soft and in like excellent condition. Are these joggers? Are these like sleep pants? I don't know, but they're really cute and really soft. And they're a size medium. I don't pick up Abercrombie, but I picked up something else from Abercrombie. These are just cute beaded sequin jean shorts, size 10. I picked them up because they were a bigger size. I don't know. I thought these were cute and someone would like them for summertime. All right, I have some Express jeans. These are the Mia mid-rise jeans in a size 10. I have sold this style before. I don't remember the size, but I know they sold pretty quickly. They look like this. They're distressed. I used to love Express jeans. The Cerula jeans, I think they're called. I used to wear those in high school. No, not high school. Like my early 20s, I used to wear them. These are from Blank NYC. I don't really pick up this brand. I got a box from, I don't remember who it was from, but they sent me a bunch of Blank NYC stuff, and I don't feel like it did really well. I'm pretty sure it's sold at Nordstrom. It's a higher end, like, the retail price is higher end, but I don't feel like it resells for a lot. But the only reason I picked these up was because, I don't know, they were cute and they're a bigger size. They're a size 31. They're the intro jeans. I'm just stressing, and then the bottoms look like that. So we'll see how these guys do. These are just Zara shorts, size 4. I thought they were cute with the red stripes on the side. I'm picking up so many shorts now, guys. And shorts are selling. I picked up a bunch of American Eagle shorts the last sourcing trip, and I think I already sold 3 pairs from that trip. I picked up these Cabbie pants. I don't know. I just thought they were fun. They're a size 4, and they're like a nautical rope print, and they're crop. I don't know. I just thought they'd be fun for summertime. Oh, I also have... Hold on, I gotta get them. Oh yeah, I see them. I see them. These jeans, these are new with tag Cabbie jeans. I finally found out what Cabbie means. I always thought it was weird that the C and the A were capitalized, but it stands for Carol Anderson by invitation. So Carol Anderson is like, you know, initials. That's why it's capitalized. So yeah. Anyway, these are the Tencel trouser pants. They retail for $89. And they're a size 8. Tencel, I guess, is a material, because I looked at the material and it's 100% Tencel. And they are just like thin, lightweight, super soft and comfortable pants. And they are super like flared. Like super flared. Like, look at that. Whoa. That is it for the haul. Like I said, I have a few other things, but those are the main things. Oh, I got some things that I'm going to bleach and like DIY. I got a Kiss band shirt that I'm going to bleach, and then I got some men's Levi's that I'm going to turn into cutoffs. So everything is currently listed in my closet, so if you see anything you like, check it out. And tell me that you are coming from YouTube, because they'll give you a really great deal. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.